Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So the yen has been going down very strong for about a month and a half or so now. Definitely looks like the end of a wave 5. Definitely looks like 5 waves up, and even the wave 5 looks like it has 5 waves. So it is very likely that it is the end of a wave 505, and if it is the end of a wave 505, then it most likely eventually will take out the low of wave 4, because that's what happens when you have the end of a trend, probably pushing its way all the way down to about the 127, 126 area. But that's going to take a very, very long time to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, just very, very, very strong to the downside. I do have my Fibonacci level right here just to look for areas of resistance. These Fibonacci levels are probably going to be areas where the market maybe makes a bounce, which is great news for us, because at the end of these bounces is where we're going to be looking to go short on shorter time frames. I would definitely call this first move down probably a wave 1, but more it could possibly be a wave A also. Probably more likely a wave 1. So anyways, let's take it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily, this is definitely one big trend right here. And the fact that the structure is way up here tells me that I almost guarantee that it's not going to end right here. It's probably going to have to make at least another push down, and who knows, it could just keep on drifting, which is why I'm doing absolutely nothing but looking for shorts at every single pullback I see on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. If you zoom out a little bit and just think about the fact of how much money you would have made if you did nothing but looked for shorts for the last 3 or 4 weeks, I mean, it's pretty incredible how easy trading could possibly be if you allow it to be easy. Now, it definitely looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are at a Fibonacci level, so I am definitely expecting a bounce. But for me, I'm only looking for shorts. If you are a scalper, you could try to go long. I definitely think the bigger, better, easier money to be made is definitely looking for shorts still at the end of three-way pullbacks. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Look at some of these entries lately. 1, 2, 3 waves up, go short. 1, 2, 3 waves up, go short. 1, 2, 3 waves up, go short. Man, just so simple. Trading, it does not have to be difficult really at all. So with the fact we're at this fib level, and with the fact I definitely do see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down, it probably is going to make a bounce. It doesn't have to. It could blow right past that level. But if it does make a bounce and it goes up and breaks structure, that's great news for us, because at the end of that bounce, at the end of the three-way pattern, we can go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. I personally am doing nothing but looking for shorts until about the 12 hour to daily time frame. Give me a break of structure to the upside, which I definitely do not think is going to happen anytime soon. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.